My name is Sarah. I am 20 years old. I live in a small house with my father, my stepmother, and my stepbrother. My real mother died when I was very young. I do not remember her face clearly, but I remember her warmth. After my mother's death, my father married again. At first, I thought life would be normal. But slowly, everything changed. My stepmother never liked me. She never said it directly, but I felt it every day. She loved her own son very much. My stepbrother was lazy. He woke up late. He never cleaned his room. He never helped in the house. He spent his time watching videos and playing games. Still, my stepmother praised him. She cooked special food for him. She bought him new clothes and gadgets. I was different. I did all the work. I woke up early every morning. I cleaned the house. I washed dishes and clothes. I cooked food. I went to the market. I carried heavy bags. I studied at night when everyone slept. My body was tired, but my heart was quiet. I never complained. Sometimes I wanted to say something, but my words stayed inside me. If I spoke, my stepmother said, "Stop acting smart." If I stayed silent, she said, "You are useless." I felt invisible in my own home. My father worked a lot. He was tired most of the time. He did not notice my pain. I did not blame him. I knew he was struggling too. One day, my stepmother said something that hurt me deeply. She said, "Sarah, you should not dream too much. Girls like you are meant to serve others." I smiled weakly, but inside, something broke. Still, I stayed patient. I believed that kindness has power. I believed life would change one day. I studied hard. I wanted to stand on my own feet. I wanted respect, not pity. Sometimes, I studied with tears in my eyes, but I never stopped. One evening, my father saw me washing clothes with injured hands. My fingers were red and painful. He asked softly, "Why don't you rest?" That was the first time he looked at me carefully. But life did not change immediately. A few months later, I got a small job in a nearby office. The salary was low, but it was mine. I felt proud. I started contributing money to the house. Still, my stepmother was unhappy. She said, "You should give all your salary to me." I agreed quietly. At work, people noticed me. They noticed my honesty. They noticed my hard work. For the first time, I felt seen. There was a young man in the office. His name was Rahul. He was calm and respectful. He never spoke loudly. He always helped others. He noticed when I was sad. One day he said, "You work very hard. Please don't forget yourself." Those words touched my heart. Slowly, we became friends. We talked during breaks. We shared small dreams. He respected my silence. He never forced me to speak. I felt safe around him. At home, things became worse. My stepmother started insulting me more. She said bad things about me to neighbors. She tried to break my confidence. But I stayed strong. I focused on my job and studies. One night, my stepbrother broke my phone in anger. I cried silently. My father saw this. For the first time, he got angry at them. He said, "Sarah is not your servant. She is my daughter." My heart shook. Tears rolled down my face. That night, my father apologized to me. He said, "I failed to protect you." I hugged him. I felt peace. A few weeks later, Rahul came to our house. He spoke with respect. He said, "I admire Sarah. She is strong and kind. I want to be with her. My stepmother tried to object, but my father stood firm. For the first time, I did not feel small. I felt equal. I felt worthy. I married Rahul in a simple ceremony. No big decorations. No show. Only love and peace. My father smiled proudly. That smile healed many wounds. Today, I live a peaceful life. I work. I study. I am respected. I am loved. I help others, but I do not lose myself. Life was unfair to me, but I did not let bitterness win.
I chose patience. I chose kindness.
I chose self-respect. I learned one thing. If you stay strong and never give up, life changes. Not suddenly, but surely.
Moral.
Kindness, patience, and self-respect always win in the end. Even in the darkest times, hope finds a way. So let's learn some vocabulary words of this story, which will help you to be perfect in English. 1. Struggle. Meaning, a hard effort to achieve something, fight against difficulty. Example, Sarah faced many struggles to finish her studies and help her family. 2. Patient/patience. Meaning, the ability to wait calmly and not get angry. Example, Sarah stayed patient, even when her stepmother was unfair to her. 3. Invisible. Meaning, not noticed or seen. Example, Sarah felt invisible at home because nobody appreciated her work. 4. Contribute. Meaning, to give something, money, effort, help, to achieve a goal. Example, Sarah contributed some money from her salary to support her family. 5. Admire. Meaning, to respect or like someone for their qualities. Example, Rahul admired Sarah for her hard work and kindness. 6. Respect. Meaning, to treat someone well because of their qualities or position. Example, Sarah finally gained the respect she deserved from her father and Rahul. 7. Pity. Meaning, feeling sorry for someone in a way that is not empowering. Example, Sarah wanted respect, not pity, for all the work she did. 8. Worth/worthy. Meaning, having value or deserving something. Example, for the first time, Sarah felt worthy and equal in her family. 9. Peace. Meaning, calmness, freedom from trouble or worry. Example, after her father apologized, Sarah felt peace in her heart. 10. Fair. Meaning, just, honest, or treating everyone equally. Example, Sarah's kind actions showed that life can be fair if you stay strong. If you liked this video and want this kind of more stories, so subscribe to Everyday English Story.